by a torque. Work done by a torque refers to the amount of rotational wear produced when a torque causes an object to rotate through an angle. The formula is work equals to thought times theta, where work is equals to the work done in joules, thought is equal to torque in Newton meters, and theta is equal to angular displacement in radians. Example number 1. A mechanic applies a constant torque of 12 Newton meter to rotate a ball through an angle of 3 radians. Now the question is, how much work is done by the torque? To answer the problem, we have to write the given. The thought is equal to 12 Newton meters and the theta is equal to 3 radians. Now the formula we have to use is W equal to thought times theta. Now we substitute the formula. The thought is 12N, the theta is 3 radians. Now the work done by a torque is 36 joules. Work done by a torque in real life matters. If you apply a torque on a wheel and it rotates through some angle, work is done by that torque. If the torque and rotation are in the same direction, work is positive. If they are in opposite direction, work is negative. To sum everything up, work done by a torque shows how torque causes rotational motion. It is an important concept in understanding how energy is used or transferred in rotating objects.
Now it's your turn. Try solving this. Number 1. A carpenter applies a constant torque of 8 Newton meter to turn a screw through an angle of 2 radians in same direction as the torque. How much work is done by the torque? Number 2. A worker applies a constant torque of 10 Newton meter on a wheel trying to rotate it clockwise, but due to resistance, the wheel actually rotates counterclockwise through an angle of 1.5 radians. How much work is done by the torque? Note that since the torque and rotation are in opposite directions, the work is negative.